Independence Day celebration. Kia and Arya are getting ready for school. Today is 14th of August and they have an Independence Day celebration at school. Their mother is helping them get ready as they are asked to dress up as their favorite freedom fighters. Kia is dressed up as Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, and Arya is dressed up as Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. They are ready to go to school and hear the sound of their school bus. They rush downstairs and board the bus. When they arrive at school, the principal asks them to sit in the auditorium where the Independence Day celebration will take place. All the kids sit in the auditorium and one by one, every kid is called upon the stage to give their performances. It's Kia's turn now. She goes on stage and introduces herself as Rani Lakshmi Bai. She says,
I am the Queen of Jhansi. I love sword fighting and hate injustice and dishonesty. I fought for the freedom of my country. People from outside, known as Britishers, tried to control our country and its people. I fought bravely against them to save our palace and people from their harsh and cruel behavior. I live for my people and believe in freedom. So, my dear friends, we must strive hard to achieve what is ours and never tolerate injustice. Always be loyal to our country and its people.
Everyone gives Kia a huge round of applause and there is thunderous cheering for her performance. Now Arya is called upon the stage. He introduces himself as Mahatma Gandhi. He says,
Hi friends, I am Mahatma Gandhi. My full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am also known as the father of the nation. I fought against Britishers for our country's freedom using only two weapons, truth and non-violence. I marched peacefully and with these two weapons, I succeeded in sending Britishers back to their nation, England. So friends, with truth and non-violence, we can achieve anything.
All the kids give their performances one by one, sharing their different definitions of freedom. It is time for the principal's speech. She comes on stage, appreciates every student's performance and says that freedom plays a vital role in our lives. Many have sacrificed their lives to give us this precious gift. We must appreciate their sacrifice, respect and honor them. We must keep them alive in our memories and never forget what they did for us. Moral: kids, I hope you know that many freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Tatya Tope, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and many more died for us and our freedom. We finally got independence from Britishers on 15th of August 1947. And because of their sacrifice, we celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August. Their ways of fighting are different, but their main goal is freedom. Different paths, one destination: freedom.